This is new show Maria World. We are unboxing new Barbie. We are unboxing this. We are cutting up this cap part. This is Elsa Anna doll. This is Elsa Anna. Which is your favorite one? My favorite is Elsa. Which is your favorite? Comment down below. This is Elsa and Anna. Elsa goes to the side. This is Kristoff. This is Elsa, Anna, Hans, Olaf. This side Sven. You watch Frozen movie, comment down below. Which is your favorite of these characters? You watch Frozen movie, give us a big thumbs up. We are ending this video. You subscribe this videos. We have more Barbies videos. Subscribe all day. You like it, you give it big thumbs up. Bye guys.